Hi guys, welcome to Cinecary.
Aftab's late cut, Sonu Sood's straight dive, and Bobby Deol's off break. These are rare sights that you cannot see anywhere else except on the Celebrity Cricket League, where two of India's greatest passions come together for a role reversal. So we got thinking, if actors could play cricket, then why not cast cricketers in movies? So here's a list of cricketers who would be perfect for some big budget Bollywood blockbusters. The IPL match-fixing scandal where Srishant's towel got more importance than him reminded us of Ranveer's towel dance in Savaria. Sad to see that this time in the IPL auctions, the towel was not bought by any of the teams. These are the Delhi boys. Gambhir being an outcast, Virat being the new revolution in the Indian cricket team, and Ishant Sharma is the one wondering about his presence in this team. They totally match the characters of Veer Das, Imran Khan and Kunal Roy Kapoor respectively in Delhi Belly. He is an all-rounder, so much that he is called Sir Ravindra Jadeja. He literally picks up the Indian cricket from dust and turns it into gold. The real superhero, just like our Shah Rukh Khan in Ravan. He is known as the evergreen hero of his team. Sri Devi showed us how easy it is to learn English. Inshallah, in Zamam we'll learn it too. This is an apt title for him. Knowing how experienced he is in love, sex and dhoka, being in front of the camera for this film will be a piece of cake for him. In the literal sense, he was known as the Diwar of the Indian cricket team, and we can't think of a better title for him. He's perfect for Amitabh Bachchan's role in this film. Arguably one of India's most successful captain, he did rule the Indian cricket team for a long time, taking the game to heights never seen before. We think he will do justice to this role. He is feared by other cricket teams all over the world. His innings define only two words: destroy and destroy. Gale will be perfect for John Abraham's role in Force. His whole body language and demeanor is so aggressive. He possesses an intimidating moustache. Akshay Kumar's role in Rowdy Rathore is perfect for Dhawan. He is a Punjabi Munda and that should sum it all up. Needless to say, all three are Punjabis. Yamla suits Yuvraj Singh, Pagla is Sidhu and Divana being Harbhajan. Remember the slap? They will definitely suit the roles of Dharmendra, Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol respectively. Do we need to say more? Hasi To Fasi is the only movie we could think of for Michael Hussey. Just like Shah Rukh Khan's character in Main Hoon Na sets everything right, MS Dhoni does exactly the same for the cricket team. Being a fast bowler, Tejas is the perfect movie for Brett Lee. No one else can do better than him. Injury is his middle name. He keeps the batsman and the audience guessing if he is even going to play the entire test match or series. Hence, he gets to play the role of Shah Rukh Khan in Main Hoon Na. So these are the cricketers we feel will fit perfectly into these Bollywood movies. We'd love to know what you think. Do leave your comments below. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to Cinecary for your daily dose of gossip, movie reviews and short films.